What up, locals? We are headed into Social Tap. Ready, go! So I'm here with co-founder Luke Luttrell, and he's gonna explain a little bit about kind of the mindset behind the menu and everything. Because when you come in here, you sit down at a table, you got these QR codes everywhere. So what are these QR codes all about?
Well, I mean, no one's had a better comeback than the QR code over this COVID times that we've been in. And when we got started, we wanted to work on that type of technology to make the experience easier and better for our customers. So regardless of when you come into the space, there's QR codes everywhere. With just a click of a button on your camera on your phone, you can pull up the menu and order right then and there. So if the staff is busy, or maybe it's a packed house and you want a beer right now, or you want your hamburger right now, you can order it right now, and then our staff will bring it out when it's ready. Another thing that I really like as a parent, whenever we have our kids, sometimes your kids are like ready to leave like 10 minutes before your server's ready to help you out.
I'm always staying behind, like paying the check, the wife takes the kids out.
Yeah, so since you do everything online and pay for it online, you can actually cash out of your check and ticket on the drive home. Which is also great, like on a game day or something, if the Shockers are playing and you've got to quickly hurry up and finish that last drink and get on the way. You don't have to wait. You can move in and move out of our space, order your food at your pace and whatever works for you.
Yeah, very cool. So you do have, the restaurants are back over there. Can you go up to the restaurant and order there, or is it just all from the phone and the camera?
I mean, we're obviously pushing for the QR code because it's a great experience. But for people who maybe don't have a cell phone or don't have internet on their phones, they can still order traditionally at the bar or at the counters. So we'll still take cash too. It doesn't have to be credit card and technology.
Very good. Well, Luke, thanks for letting us come in and we tried the burgers and the pizza, and it's all good. So y'all need to come check out Social Tap. Get you a beer or an espresso. We had those as well. That's very good. So come check it out.
All right, man. Thanks a lot.
All right, sure thing.